taste of rosy. I'm not gonna come back till September, 'cause music is my best friend. Once you tell her to water the flowers, I want her to remember. Music is my best friend.
Hi guys, it's Caitlin. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day. I tried to make this video really realistic and a true representation of like what a typical day of meals looks like for me. If you guys want to see any more fitness and nutrition videos, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's just get on with the video. Okay, so everything I'm going to be using for my breakfast is right here. I know it looks like a lot, but I'm basically going to be making a little banana split type thing over here, and then I'm also going to be making a smoothie. So I'm first just going to start off by putting in this protein powder, and then I'm going to add whatever kind of frozen fruit I want, as well as just some spinach. And I don't really add a lot into my smoothie, just pretty basic, blending it up. And I'll have all the ingredients and measurements of everything down below. Then moving on, I'm going to be making a granola type banana split contraption. So I just cut my banana in half like so. You can put whatever kind of yogurt you want on it. And then after I've spread it out, I'm just going to be taking some granola, and I took about half of the serving size it called for and just sprinkled it all over the plate. Now I'm just going to be cutting up some strawberries. You can literally cut up whatever fruit you want. I'm also going to be adding some blueberries, raspberries, and just really anything I want to make this breakfast better. Here's a look at what my finished breakfast looks like. As you can see, I have really nicely aesthetically pleasing and delicious breakfast, as well as a really yummy shake. So now I'm going to be making lunch, and I almost always have a wrap every single day, and in this video I'm just using these protein wraps. As a sauce replacement, I'm going to be using some salsa, and I actually find salsa is really good. It's not that bad for you, and I actually think it tastes delicious. I'm also going to be adding some spinach.
That it's just what you've been dreaming, love, and you will find that it's just what you've been dreaming of.
I'll usually put chicken on the wraps, but we had some leftover pork from the night before, so I just decided to cut up a few pieces and put that on.
But you've been afraid that it would not come through. In love and two, while you've always had a dream.
Now that I've got everything on, I'm just going to wrap it up. It's a little bit full, so it's kind of hard to wrap it, but we make it work. And then on the side, I'm just going to be cutting up an apple because a wrap is just not enough for me. So that's just kind of what the finished lunch product is looking like today.
That it's just what you've been dreaming, love, and you will find.
So just wanted to pop in here really quick and share with you guys the snacks that I enjoy having throughout the day. Usually I have protein bars, like probably a few a day. This first one is like, it's just like a healthy granola type bar, like it's not like a protein bar, and it's this Kashi 7 grains with oats, and this is the chocolate chip chia flavor. They also have like an oat honey one, which I really enjoy as well. I also then have a Cliff Bar, which is a bit higher in like calories and carbs, but is really good. And honestly, sometimes if like I have like a busy day or something, or if I have work and I don't have a chance to like pack a lunch, I'll bring this and eat this as a replacement because it fills me up really well. Another one that I also really enjoy, but I don't have with me right now because we don't have it in our cupboards, is the like Vector. It's like an all chocolate covered bar, and it's a Vector bar, and it's really, really good. So yeah, I would recommend that. So usually for dinner we'll have rice, chicken, and vegetables. So tonight was a little bit different. We had some zucchini. I had a piece of chicken which was just warmed up from Farm Boy. And honestly, I came home to dinner already made, so I don't really have much information on how to make this. It's pretty standard. I know the rice is not super good for you because it's just white rice, but I love rice. And then I have the broccoli, zucchini, and the chicken. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next one.